Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start one more 60-second session with our new participant. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
Fine too. I have 10 short questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. One sentence about Bangladesh.
I love Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a riverian country. I born in Bangladesh.
One sentence about your father.
My father is my real hero. I cannot think in my life without him.
One sentence about your mother.
My mother is my heart. She was the first woman in my life.
One sentence about your best friend.
She is very kind and hardworking. I have learned many things from him.
Drama or movie.
Definitely drama. It makes me happy and give me knowledge.
Laptop or PC.
Definitely laptop. It is easy to carry and easy to use.
Mobile or TV.
Definitely mobile phone. It is a wonderful device and also communication device.
Thank you. Fast food or homemade food.
Definitely homemade food. It has a great value and it is more hygienic and less expensive.
Excellent. Academic books or storybooks.
Definitely storybooks. It gives me more knowledge with fun and entertainment.
Wonderful. Father or mother.
I think both are caring, friendly, cooperative and sincere with me.
Thank you very much for your performance. Goodbye.